Hello everyone, kumusta? Capricorn, this is your general forecast for November 2024. We will look into the energies for you this month and anong mga advice cards ang gustong ibigay ng universe para sa'yo. Kung bago ka sa channel ito, ang goal natin dito ay magbigay ng gabay using the light from above para may positive energies ang lahat. Okay? So, simulan na natin ang reading mo. Capricorn, there are things na ano bang meron dito, no? Okay, let's see. Capricorn, you may be feeling like or you may be remembering somebody who is a motherly figure in the past, or this is somebody na parang naisip mo lang siya, naalala mo lang siya, or somebody na parang naisip mo na baka kailangan niya ng tulong or something, no? So this is just a side parang hindi siya connected sa buong reading, pero parang it's just something that is telling you to be mindful of somebody who is a mother figure, no? So let's see. Right now kasi Capricorn, you have the Ace of Swords. May mga ideas ka, may mga bagay na you are thinking to do. Baka this is something na parang naudyok ka. Kasi parang may nangyaring something nakita mo sa iba, or somehow parang nirealize mo na parang kailangan ko bang gawin to, o baka kailangan ko na tong gawin, ganyan. So there are things na nangyayari na parang nagkakaroon ka ng initiative or ng parang gana. Hindi ba? So Capricorn, let's see. In November 2024, meron kang inspiration to reverse the things, yung mga bad habits na ginagawa mo before, to let go of them. Because ito yung mga bagay na na-realize mo sa sarili mo, Capricorn, na hindi na importante for you. Kasi nalalaman mo na nakikita mo na bakit parang hindi maganda yung ganyan. Bakit parang napapansin ko sa sarili ko, hindi na ganun ka-healthy yung mga bagay na pinagagagawa mo, no? So there are things na hindi talaga siya masaya for you. There are things na hindi talaga siya nagiging productive, or hindi siya nagiging perfect for your situation. So etong mga bad habits na to, tinatanggal mo siya, and ang ganda nun. Ang ganda nun, Capricorn. So there is a tower ahead, and there are things na pwede mo pang gawin to adjust this. The tower is all about something na parang hindi mo inaasahang nangyayari, okay? There are things na pwede mong gawin. And what you can do, Capricorn, is to have balance and to be justifiable. Anong ibig sabihin na to? Balance. Unahin natin ang word na balance. Kailangan lahat ng ginagawa mo, nagtatrabaho ka, kailangan meron ding pahinga. Kung puro pahinga ka, baka naman kailangan mo ng more work, okay? Kung nakikita mo sa sarili mo na masyado kang nagiging mapanghusga sa ibang bagay, baka kailangan mong palitan yon ng kabutihan. Okay? Kailangan fair ka sa sarili mo. Kung nakikita mo sa sarili mo that you are being too harsh to other people, baka naman kailangan mo maging fair. Okay? All these things mag-e-effect sa November 2024 mo, may effect ito sa'yo. Kung minsan po chismis ang ginagawa mo, baka naman kailangan mong palitan ng truth. Sa tingin mo ba ganito nangyayari sa isang tao, ito yung mga ginagawa nila, ginajudge mo na ba yung mga tao? Kung chismis yun, baka kailangan mong alamin yung totoo. Lahat kasi ng bagay na ito, may effect ito sa'yo. Alright, Capricorn? May effect siya sa'yo because these are the things na kailangan mo ngang palitan yung mga negative na nangyayari sa'yo. You have to be more fair, justifiable, and doon ka sa kung ano yung mabuting gawin. Alright? Lahat to may ganito siyang effect. So, kuha na tayo ng advice cards mo, okay? If you resonate with this reading, please let me know by liking this video or commenting down below. Subscribe to Hula Juan and share this channel with others. Just a small gesture lang, okay? Para makatulong tayo. Wow, okay. Unahin natin yung naunang card. Power of prayer. Give this situation to God for uplifting and healing, and be open to miracles. Heaven's unlimited resources, love, and answers are awaiting your prayers. Be sure to act upon the divine guidance. God gives to you in response to your prayers. So minsan may mga binibigay ng tao or messages ang si God sa iyo dahil nagdadasal ka. And yun naman ang dapat natin ginagawa. We should always be praying. Visualize abundance in all forms. God gave you such a great spiritual power that everything you visualize eventually becomes reality. Hold a steady vision of which is beautiful, healthful, positive, and filled with blessings, and that is what you will experience. So, visualize mo to para sa sarili mo, para sa ibang tao. So, kung wala kang ibang masamang tinapay, lahat ng ginagawa mong visualize mo na mabubuti, yun yung dadating sa'yo. Ganun talaga yun. Kung ano yung binilabas mo, yun din ang makukuha mo. Okay? So, next card tayo. Spring, awakening, projects, and renewal. So, may mga pwede kang gustong gawin siguro na parang I wanna do something new, ganyan. Yun, doon ka mag-learn ng bago and doon mo mahahanap yung saya. Okay? Violet, spirituality, wisdom, and humility. If you connect yourself more to the light, to God, mas dumadami yung connection mo and yung wisdom mo, yung mga nalalaman mo, yun yung nakukuha. Okay? Next. Trust. When love is invited to take over, right actions arise at the right time. Allow me, dear divine, to wait patiently until their timing is right. Let me rest in the unknown until a clear path is shown. So, you need to trust the universe that everything will be okay. Alright? So, that is your forecast, guys. Don't forget to follow or subscribe, and always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intensyon. See you sa next reading.